Hi everyone. Welcome back to Gear and Grips. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Tata Safari, a flagship SUV from Tata Motors that combines robust performance with modern luxury. Let's explore what this vehicle has to offer. The 2025 Tata Safari boasts a commanding presence on the road. Measuring 4,668 mm in length, 1,922 mm in width, and 1,795 mm in height, it offers a substantial stance. The front fascia features sleek LED projector headlamps complemented by distinctive LED DRLs, providing both style and functionality. R17 alloy wheels and all-wheel disc brakes enhance its sporty appeal and safety credentials. Stepping inside, the Safari offers a spacious cabin with seating configurations for 6 or 7 passengers. The seats are designed for comfort, ensuring a pleasant experience on long journeys. Smart A and C-type chargers are available in all 3 rows, keeping everyone's devices powered. The fully automatic temperature control system maintains an optimal climate, enhancing passenger comfort. Under the hood, the Safari is powered by a 2.0L Cryotech turbocharged diesel engine, delivering 167.67 brake horsepower at 3,750 rpm and a torque of 350 Nm at 1,750 rpm. This engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission, catering to diverse driving preferences. The front-wheel drive system ensures a balanced performance, suitable for both city commuting and highway cruising. Safety is a paramount focus in the 2025 Safari. It comes equipped with 6 airbags, including driver, co-driver, side, and curtain airbags, providing comprehensive protection. The Electronic Stability Program (ESP), with 16 functionalities enhances vehicle control, especially in challenging driving conditions. Additionally, the inclusion of ISOFIX anchor points ensures child safety, making it a family-friendly SUV. The Safari integrates modern technology to keep passengers connected and entertained. Features like the Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS, provide real-time data, ensuring optimal driving conditions. The infotainment system supports connectivity options, although specific details about screen size and software integration are not specified. The 2025 Tata Safari is available in multiple variants to suit different preferences and budgets. The base model, Smart, starts at 15.50 Indian rupees lakh, offering essential features without compromising on quality. The top-tier variant, Accomplished Plus Stealth 6-seater, is priced at 27.25 Indian rupees lakh and includes premium features for a luxurious experience. These prices are ex-showroom and may vary based on location and additional options. The 2025 Tata Safari stands as a testament to Tata Motors' commitment to delivering robust and luxurious SUVs. With its blend of performance, safety, and modern features, it caters to both adventure enthusiasts and families seeking comfort. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road trails, the Safari is equipped to handle the journey with confidence and style. Thank you for tuning into Gear and Grips. If you enjoyed this overview, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and automotive content. Drive safe and see you in the next video.